Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Zen. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can convert white color into black color, or how we can convert white color rather objects into black color. So you can choose any objects that you want. In this particular example, I am choosing this white shirt that I'm going to convert it into a black shirt. So let's get started, and it's quite easy. So first of all, choose an image and make selection of the required area. So in this case I have selected the shirt, so you can choose any selection tool that you want, and after that press Ctrl J or Command J to duplicate the selected area. So this will be duplicated or copied. Now convert this into a smart object. Why to convert this? Because let's say if you are not happy with the result, we can always change the values if we are applying any effect on the smart objects. That's why we need to convert it into smart objects. It is not necessary to convert it, but it is safer this way, because if you want to change it, then we can do it pretty easily if there is a smart object. So immediately I will go to image, adjustments and levels, and as you might know, there are 3 points respectively. This is the white point, or which controls the highlights. This is the gray point which controls midtones, and this is the black point which controls shadows. So if I do this, it will increase shadows. If I do this, it will increase the highlights. It will make it brighter, in other words. So using these tools, this one and this one, we are going to convert this into a black color. So first of all, I'm going to move the slider by choosing the shadow option. You can always play with the values. Now these are the values which represent the brightest point and the darkest point, and it is 0 to 255 because we are in the RGB color mode, which has the range 0 to 255. If we reduce this, then it will be converted into black color. As you can see, this is looking realistic black color. And make sure while you are selecting the object, it is precise, otherwise it won't look good. So make sure that you select the object precisely. So this is how it looks. Now whenever you are happy with the values, you can stop there, and now it is looking like a proper black colored shirt. I will show you. This is before and this is after. Now let's say if I'm not happy with the value, we can simply double click and you can always change the values like this. But for now this is looking pretty good. You can again, if you're not willing to do it with the smart object, we can always use the adjustment layers. You can simply go to levels, and this time we need to clip this. So right click and create clipping mask. It will do the same thing. Again, play with the shadow like this, and again move this bright point like this. So it will give you the same result. If you are not happy with the previous method, you can always use this method. The result will be the same. Whichever you find easier, you can choose that method. So this is how we can convert any white object rather, into black object. It is pretty easy, so do give it a go. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.